it called? Something 8?
Motivator.
Well, you can cut that bit out.
When's this video going to be out by?
Action. Hi, welcome back to the channel.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Debs.
And together we are the Wandering Wilds.
This is our next collaboration video, working with another group of people. We have 2 new members of the collaboration group, which are the Dream Chasers.
And Bailey's Go Camping.
Bailey's Go
a
Camping.
Massive welcome to the 2 new people in the channel. If you haven't seen their channel, go over there and check out those guys' videos.
Definitely. Like and subscribe. And in this video, we're going to show you some additions to our van that we have. Really helpful ones, I think, as well. So give us a watch. Hopefully you'll find it useful.
And don't forget to watch all the way to the end where you'll see the outtakes.
Oh, many.
One of our additions to the van is Dunlop Air Suspension. By having Dunlop Air Suspension, that increases the performance of the ride quality, and if needs be we can also raise and lower the back, so should we come anywhere where there's low ground clearance we can hire it up, or for us living on the Isle of Man, getting on off a ferry on the ramp, sometimes we can hire it, or if needs be we could lower it. So here you can see the controls for the air suspension itself, and just by, if I want to deflate it, just by pressing that, just like you would with a normal car tyre, I can release the air. That will show the actual air suspension itself going down. And to pump it back up, it's quite simple. We just use a standard car pump or tyre inflator, and we just connect it onto the valve there, and we just pump it back up.
These shoe holders, we use them as our little alcohol supplies, and if you wrap each bottle in a sock, it doesn't move and it doesn't rattle, and you lock it down by locking the Velcro, you have an automatic alcohol stroke bottle transporter, and it's lightweight. Another addition to our van that we actually couldn't live without, not because we do a lot of winter camping, is the Planar diesel heater. And the control panel is here. I'll just quickly flick it on so you can see it. That's got 3 timer settings, and it uses about 1/4 of a litre an hour, and you don't get condensation in your van, so it's an absolute godsend. We can get up in the morning and it's warm. The vents are down low. There's 2 vents. One of them is down here, so that kind of heats towards the back of the van there, and it is in front of the van. Basically it heats both sides of the van. Really, really good. Another addition to our van, we put it up because we got fed up with command hooks falling down, didn't we?
We certainly did.
Drove me insane. So we bought a hook, and I installed it. And we didn't like drilling things into the wall, but it became a necessity to actually get something else on there apart from command hooks, because they were driving us mad. It's just like a wardrobe bar in the shower area. This is one of the handiest things that's in the van. When you're done with your towel, especially in the summer, open your vent above the shower and put your towel on this rail. It'll dry nicely. The heated towel rail. It's a lightweight, very lightweight aluminium towel rail, and it's the best thing in this van. And what they've done is they've wired in through, drilled a hole through there, and they've gone into the garage and picked up the 240 volt in the garage.
So underneath the bathroom, you can see the cable here coming out for the towel radiator, and then that's plugged into a 240 volt fused switch above, so you can actually isolate it from that point as well.
Turbo shower head. Now I've had a couple of different shower heads, ones with stones in that clean the water and stuff like that, but this turbo shower head is one of the best ones we've had. It's got tiny little holes which they make the water spray a lot stronger when you're in the shower. It's got a turbo at the top of the shower head. Spins round, gives you more water pressure, And you have this lovely button here which flicks on and off when I switch the water on. So you've got control of the water here and not here where your thermostat is. Much better than turning the thermostat or the controls with the thermostat on and off, because you might accidentally turn it more hotter or more colder, which I've done before, trust me. So this is great. I shall show you now. Water on. Boom. Can you see that? The pump's kicked in. You can hear the pressure from that. There's a lot of pressure there. We do not use half as much water, hot water in this van because of this shower head. Another addition to our van, which has been a godsend, is the Nature Pure pure water tap. It is what it says on the tin basically. It's an additional tap that's fitted. The water goes via a charcoal filter, which is under here in a little canister. It doesn't take a lot of room up, but that's your tap. So that's your pure water. And trust me, it is pure. We actually take the water from the van to the house because it's properly filtered. It's a win-win really. Saves carrying all those bottles. What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? Motivate. What's it called? Something 8? Pure 8. Tell me, is it Pure 8?
Nature Pure.
Nature Pure. Right. Oh no, I've got watery eyes, I'll have to wait. I've got watery eyes still. It's Nature Pure. Pure. Right, pull yourself together. And it doesn't move. This tap moves.
We've had the van 2 years and you don't know the bloody tap don't move. Oh, God.
Learn something every day. Well, you can cut that bit out.
Oh, it's going to be a long day. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching and thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. It is completely free and it will enable you to carry on watching the rest of the videos where we share more tips with you.
More tips and travel.
More tips and travel.
Yep. And don't forget to comment because
we like comments.
Cheers and bye for now.
Bye for now.